What a dream if you wake up every day and don't have to rush off to a 9 to 5 job. One of the main reasons I wanted to learn how to generate money online in the first place was because your boss tells you what to do all day. It wasn't just about the money. It was also about the newfound freedom we'd have once we regain control of my life. In today's video, I'll show you a fantastic website that may help you make a lot of money on the internet. You can earn $250 in a single day with no prior experience or training. It's absolutely free and accessible from any location on the planet. So make sure you stick around until the finish, since the stock will provide you with a lot of supplementary resources and free tools to assist you to get started. So stay tuned and keep an eye out, because in 2021, this will be a simple way to make money online. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, remain tuned and watch the video till the conclusion. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Before I reveal today's strategy secret, first I'd want to have a look at this website, which is hosted by Amazon.com. This can be found under the Kindle ebooks area. Now, let's go down below where you can see that there are a lot of people offering ebooks for this amount of money on this website. Now, as I scroll down, I find that there are additional Kindle ebooks that people have posted on this website. There are a lot of people making a lot of money with this approach, some of them even for this amount. Now, take a look at this, which has over 2,000 reviews. People who have purchased these Kindle ebooks have left reviews here. Let's get a calculator now. Yes, let's say one Kindle ebook cost $14.99, and there are over 2,100 people who have purchased it. As you can see, just by posting one Kindle ebook like this, you can earn over $3,000. You don't need any prior experience, you don't need to invest anything, and it's completely free. All you have to do is copy and paste or utilize a ready-made template like this one I'll show you in today's video. So make sure you keep watching, because in this video, we're going to make a lot of money online. The first website that we will be using to create a Kindle ebook is visme.co. This website right here will allow you to create an amazing Kindle ebook cover page. As you can see, we're not just a tool, we're the whole workshop. And if you scroll down, over here, you will see that this website has already been used by over 10 million people. All you need to do on this page right here is to maneuver your mouse to the upper right portion and click on sign up for free. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be creating your account. You may continue via Google or Facebook. Now on this page right here, you can click on create new right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page and click on documents right here. You can then start creating documents. So right now, we'll just go down below and see there are different documents. For example, reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. And I want you to drag this bar right here and go on. We're going to look for this one right here, which is just ebooks. Once you click on this button, you'll see that there are several templates to pick from. All of them are extremely professional and really beautiful. So as I go down, I see hundreds of different done-for-you templates that I can simply click on. You can get everything done for you completely and automatically, and you won't have to spend any money at all. Now, as you can see on the Kindle ebook, I'm going to give you the first bonus. On this platform, you may sell ebooks in a variety of categories. Consider the arts, photography, business, and money, as well as education and teaching. However, I recommend that you concentrate on health, fitness, and dieting, because this is now the most profitable category, which means you may make a lot of money online with little competition. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Right now, we can look for a template that is suitable for categories. I want you to choose this template right here. As you can see, This is very professional and very suitable for the health and fitness category. So, if we click on the preview button right here, we'll be able to see what's inside this particular ebook. So this is the table of contents and this is the cover photo. When you scroll down, you'll notice that all of the pages in this template have been completed for you. And they'll show you individuals how to lose weight and what foods they can eat. All you need to do is click on Use this template right here. On this page, you can alter the text, font size, and put some pictures on it. Literally, you can edit all the stuff using these buttons. All you need to do is make it more appealing and connected to the ebook that we will be choosing later on. After you edit all the necessary stuff, you can now download it. Just hop in your mouse and go to the upper right portion of the page and click on Download. By doing so, this will pop up. Now, you need to click on this download right here. The next website that we will be using to obtain a free ebook is freeplrdownloads.com. This particular web page is essentially where you can locate a large number of ebooks that you can copy and paste into your browser and download for free. They're all done for you, and there are numerous categories from which to choose. We're going to concentrate on health for the time being. So, we'll go ahead and click on this health link right here, and you'll be taken to this health category. As you can see, there are practically hundreds of unique ebooks here. Numerous Kindle ebooks that have been done for you that you may download for free. For instance, this ebook with this title. All you have to do now is go here and click on this ebook, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. Now, if you scroll down, you'll notice a blue download button. All you have to do now is press this button. You are not required to create an account. You may get it for free on your phone or on your computer. After you finish downloading all of the ebooks in the health category, you may go on to another. Consider online marketing, personal relationships, or self-help. There are a variety of ebook categories on which you may concentrate your efforts and begin selling them on Amazon Kindle, allowing you to make a lot of money online without investing anything. The following step will be to upload them to Amazon. We'll now move on to Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. You can simply visit kdp.amazon.com. Now, once you've arrived at this website, you can begin publishing your own ebook and start generating money online. As you can see, publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. All you need to do is on this page right here is to click on Sign Up right here. And on this page, you will click on Create your KDP account. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be entering your name, email, password, and click on Create your KDP account. You can now begin earning money online on this manner. You can simply upload your ebooks and relax while generating money online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.